Welcome to Life at Sunny Lee with Kathy Jarvis. And it has been an exciting week. It's one of those weeks that's gone by way too fast. In fact, I usually do this on Friday, and it's Saturday already. And one of the reasons it's gone by fast is because I've had a ball. Our middle son has been home all week, spent the 4th of July with us. We had kind of a cookout. I did it inside because it was so hot. And then the last 3 days we've had this wonderful overcast weather with rain that we needed so badly, which has given me a little bit of break from not being in the garden and being able to visit with my son. And we did go up this week and have lunch with our other son. So the 4 of us got together, and that was nice. We had a good visit. Been having trouble with my phone, which is another reason why this is a little day late. It's because I had to get a new phone, and it took my son almost from 7 o'clock until almost 1 o'clock in the morning to transfer everything over. Just did not go the way the person at the Verizon store said it should go. But we managed to get it done. And then he surprised me with an Echo 5, so we hooked it up. And we did that this morning, and I've been enjoying music all day from it. Another fun thing to play with on a rainy day. In the garden, we've gotten zucchinis. First time in 3 years I've actually gotten some zucchinis. And everything is doing really wonderful after the rain. I got so many tomatoes, but they're all green. None of them have turned yet. We've gotten peppers. I did freeze some zucchinis this week. I froze some green beans. And basically, I've just taken the week off and enjoyed with my son. One of the things that we did get done this week was we finally got all the flower gardens around the house weeded and taken care of, deadheaded, and it's looking so much better. Got the daylilies blooming. Over here, I still have to take this yucca and cut it off, but we got little sunflowers back in the back. There are a volunteer plant, and the crepe myrtles are blooming up a storm. So it's nice to have all of this weeded and taken care of and looking nice again. And we did this all the way around, and most importantly of all, we finally got the bird garden weeded and trimmed back so that we have our path completely around it again, and it is looking absolutely beautiful. You can see the paths are cleared. You can set out here now. We had the rain, so a lot of them are knocked down, but they were upright and pretty. And also these little scutters here do not help with keeping the plants upright. They love to run through them. But yeah, you can see the paths all the way around. It's clear except for the fact that the plants have fallen down through the rain. We got our opening here now again, so we can get into it. And we've got an opening to the hammock, so we can use the hammock again. And then we cut back the Rose of Sharon enough so you can actually get in the hammock. So this is all looking really great. The raccoons have left. It's first after June 31st, and they were gone. Our June 30th weather. Anyway, the last of June, they were gone. And it was kind of like predicted, exactly like what I had last year. They were here through the month of June. The month of July, they're disappearing. And that's because the sweet corn out there is starting to ear up. So they're all out there messing with sweet corn and not my stuff, which is a nice thing. We're down to 12 cats of my own and 1 stray, which is a big improvement from the 40, not 40, but the 20 that we had. We've gotten rid of quite a few of them. So I'm happy about that. At least we've got a reasonable number that we can feed now. So that's good. And that's about what we've been up to this week. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you would. Hit the bell icon so you know when I'm on next. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.